Good morning, children. Welcome to our next class. In last class, you learned about the different types of animals, their food habits based on their mouth parts, how they are eating different kinds of food. This all you learned. So, their mouth parts and the structure of their teeth you learned. So, the same way, in today's class, we are going to learn about the structure and the types of our teeth. What type of different teeth present in our mouth and how they are helping, what are their number, these all we are going to learn in today's class. So, our lesson is permanent and temporary teeth. What's the meaning of permanent teeth and what's the meaning of temporary teeth, how they are helping us, you will learn in today's class in detail. So before going to our lesson, what are the new words you are learning in this particular chapter we will see. So here the first word is temporary. Temporary means lasting only for a short time. Anything which lasts only for short time, they are known as temporary. And the next word, permanent. Permanent. Permanent means lasting for a long time. If anything, it stays for a long time, it's known as permanent. Okay, so these are the two new words you are learning in this chapter. Now we will see the fun activity in this lesson. You just ask your parents or your neighbors or your friends to open and show you the number of teeth. So you try to count their teeth and also are they look like same or any difference is there, you try to find out. First you just count the number of teeth, how many number of teeth your friend is having, and just note down that number. That's your today's activity, right? So after counting your friend's teeth, and you also try to count the elders' teeth, like your mom, your uncle, or your father teeth, also you count and find out how many number of teeth they have. Are they different from your friend or do they have same number of teeth? You're going to find out by your activity, right? So now by doing your activity, now you can understand how the teeth, set of teeth different from elders and the children. So the first set of teeth here in this image, the first set of teeth belongs to the children. They are temporary teeth. When you take birth, when the child reach to the 6 months age, then they start getting the teeth. So these teeth, uh, they will have this set of teeth up to 6 years. So right from 6 months to 6 years, the set of teeth what children have, they are known as temporary teeth. Why? Because after 6 years they start falling. You all might have seen that losing the teeth. At the age of 6 years, you will lose some teeth, and then in the place of that, you will get another set of teeth. Those teeth last for longer time. So those teeth are known as permanent set of teeth. Two jaws are present. So in our mouth, two jaws are there. So this is called as upper jaw, and the down one is lower jaw. So this is the lower jaw and this is the upper jaw. So the set of teeth which are present in the upper jaw and which are present in the lower jaw will be the same. Number also will be same. The only difference is these are the children's teeth. They have some gaps in between them, and the number of teeth are also less in children. Now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 teeth in the lower jaw, same way in upper jaw 10 teeth. So totally 20 temporary teeth children are having. And after 6 years they start getting the new teeth, and when you count these teeth you will get a set of 32 teeth. Okay, so these teeth last for longer time, which we call them as permanent teeth. Understood? So to get an understanding about permanent set of teeth and temporary teeth, you watch this video, you will understand more about permanent teeth and temporary teeth. Understood the difference between a temporary set of, so a child below the age of 6 years will have this permanent set of temporary set of teeth, and they are small in number. They are also having gaps in between them. They are 20 in number. Okay, and after the 6 years the child gets the new set of teeth when these temporary teeth fall out. So these teeth are known as permanent teeth. So they are very closely packed. You can see there is no gap in between them, and they are totally 32 in number. Okay. Now once again we'll see. So they are big in size. Temporary teeth are small in size, whereas the permanent teeth are big in size. You can understand by seeing this picture. And permanent teeth are very closely packed, whereas temporary teeth are having some space in between them. Okay. So now we will see. Now we will move on to the activity. What activity you have done? Based on that, we will see how are temporary teeth different from permanent teeth. Just now we discussed temporary teeth. Below 6 years children have temporary teeth. They are small in size and have gaps in between them. Whereas after 6 years, the teeth which we get known as permanent set of teeth. Okay, here you can see temporary teeth are 20 in number, whereas permanent teeth are 32 in number. And temporary teeth are very smaller, whereas permanent teeth are very bigger. So temporary teeth have more space in between them, whereas permanent teeth are very closely arranged. So these are the differences between temporary teeth and permanent teeth. You can see the another question. Why do we call one set of teeth temporary and the other set is called as permanent? Because the teeth which you will get at the age of 6 years, they start fall out after 6 years. So they are staying temporarily. That's why we are calling them as temporary teeth. And the permanent set of teeth, the teeth which you get after 6 years, they stays longer time, almost at the age of 70 years, and sometimes it may be more than that too. So these teeth which are staying and helping us to chew the food for longer time. That's why they are known as permanent teeth. The same you can see here. The temporary teeth do not last very long time. They start fall out at the age of 6 years. Every time a permanent tooth falls out, a new tooth grows in its place. So these teeth, the new set of teeth are only known as permanent teeth, because we will have them almost of our lives. Till our death, these teeth will be in our mouth. That's why we are calling them as permanent teeth. Understood the difference between temporary and permanent teeth? And now you see what might happen if a temporary tooth does not fall out. If the temporary tooth does not fall and the permanent tooth cannot be replaced that temporary tooth. That's it now. If a temporary tooth does not fall, the new permanent tooth won't have space to grow and will become crooked. The set of teeth, arrangement of teeth will not look beautiful. Okay, so a dentist can pull out the temporary tooth to solve this problem. You can see some people, the teeth are one above the other. That is because when temporary teeth do not fall out, the permanent teeth will grow above that temporary tooth. So it won't give good smile to the people. So they will approach to the dentist, and dentist will remove that temporary tooth to give beautiful appearance to our face. Okay. Now we will see what are the questions given in this worksheet. So before answering, you read page number 10 from your content book about permanent and temporary teeth. After reading that, and then you try to come to answer these questions. So first question is about complete the table about permanent and temporary teeth only. This question, the type of teeth you have to find out. Look at the picture and find out what set of teeth given in this picture. So the first picture have some gaps in between them. So definitely these are temporary teeth. You write complete word, just I am giving a hint to you. And the second picture you can see there are no gaps between the teeth. So they are permanent set of teeth. Okay. And then two differences. You know, just now we discussed two differences are they are having gaps in between them, and they are only 20 in number, whereas permanent set of teeth do not have gaps. They don't have any gaps between them, and they are 32 in number. These are just a hint to you children. You have to write the complete answer. Where the space provided, there you write the complete answer. And the last question, Nina saw a tooth coming out from the back of her milk teeth. Should she try to take out the milk tooth, and why? Yes, definitely. We just now discussed when milk teeth are temporary teeth are also known as milk teeth. When milk teeth do not fall out, the permanent tooth will grow on that milk tooth. So it won't appear, it won't give beautiful look to the face. So that they will definitely approach. So definitely had to approach the people, approach the doctor. And the dentist will help her to remove that milk teeth, and it gives a beautiful look to Naina face. Okay, so now we will see the content book practice questions. What are the practice questions given in this particular chapter? So before answering this, you read page number 10 from content book clearly, and then come to the practice questions which are given in page 10. Here you can see the questions which are given in textbook. Naina is 3 years old. Which set of teeth will she have? Permanent or temporary teeth? You know very well, children will have only temporary teeth. So you write beside the question, space is given, you can write your answer there. What are the differences between temporary and permanent teeth based on their number and size? Based on the number means temporary teeth are only 20 in number, whereas permanent teeth are 32 in number. And in size, when you see the size, temporary teeth are small in size, whereas permanent teeth are big in size. And the last question, what should you do if you see a permanent tooth growing behind one of your milk teeth? What will happen if you don't? It looks little different. It won't give beautiful smile to us. So definitely the milk tooth should be removed by the dentist to give space for the permanent tooth to grow in place of milk tooth. This answer you can write in your classwork. Third answer write in classwork. Whereas first and second you can complete in your textbook itself. Okay. So in next class we'll see the types of teeth. How many different types of teeth are there in upper and lower jaws? We will discuss. That will be so interesting, and carry a hand mirror to the class. When you are learning about different teeth, you can observe your own teeth, how they are different from each other. Thank you.